Did you know that 95% of people who try to lose weight fail to maintain their progress long term? One of the biggest reasons for this is poor meal planning. The secret to weight loss success, consistency, and that's where meal prep comes in. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to meal prep like a pro for weight loss, so you never feel lost about what to eat again. Hi, I'm Farhad, a certified nutrition coach and fitness expert. Over the last 5 years, I've helped hundreds of clients lose weight and keep it off by mastering the art of meal prep. Today, I'm excited to share everything I know with you so you can reach your weight loss goals faster and with less stress. Believe me, I've been where you are overwhelmed, unsure of what to eat, and stuck in the yo-yo diet cycle, but learning how to meal prep transformed everything. In this video, we'll dive deep into how meal prep can simplify your weight loss journey. We'll cover the common mistakes people make, show you step by step how to plan your meals, and I'll even demonstrate 3 simple, delicious recipes you can prep for the week. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to meal prepping for weight loss, plus bonus tips for staying on track and avoiding burnout. So let's start with why so many people struggle with weight loss, despite their best efforts. You might feel like you're doing everything right, working out, eating healthy, maybe even cutting out certain foods entirely, but still, you don't see the results you expect. Why is that? Well, one of the biggest culprits is lack of planning. When you don't plan ahead, you leave your food choices up to chance. This usually means you'll grab whatever's convenient: fast food, processed snacks, or something that doesn't align with your calorie goals. Research shows that people who plan their meals are more likely to stick to their dietary goals and lose weight faster than those who don't. I'm sure many of you have experienced this before. You're hungry, it's lunchtime, and you're out of healthy options. So, you order something quick and high in calories, thinking it's just this once, but it happens again and again. Over time, this keeps you from making progress toward your weight loss goals. Without a meal plan, we fall back on bad habits. Take my client Mark. He was struggling to lose weight despite eating clean most of the time. The problem? He wasn't planning his meals, so he often ended up overeating or choosing convenience over nutrition. Once we set him up with a meal prep plan, he started losing weight steadily, without feeling deprived or frustrated. That's the power of planning. Okay, so how do we solve this? With a solid meal prep strategy. This is a game changer for weight loss. When you meal prep, you're in control. You'll know exactly what to eat, when to eat it, and how much to eat, all without the guesswork. Here's what a successful meal prep plan looks like. Our approach is simple: plan, shop, prep, and portion. These 4 steps will help you stay consistent with your nutrition and ensure that you're hitting your calorie and macronutrient targets every day. Whether you're trying to lose weight, gain muscle, or simply eat healthier, meal prep keeps you on track. Step 1. Plan your meals. Start by planning your meals for the week. Look at your schedule. How many meals do you need? Which days will be busier? By answering these questions, you can decide what to prep in advance. I suggest starting with just lunch and dinner, and maybe prepping snacks or breakfasts if you have time. Step 2. Shop smart. Make a grocery list based on your meal plan. Stick to whole foods like lean proteins, veggies, whole grains, and healthy fats. This will keep your meals balanced and nutrient-dense. And don't forget to shop in bulk for items like grains and frozen veggies. They're cost-effective and easy to prep. Dr. Eric Helms, a leading nutrition researcher, often emphasizes the importance of meal frequency and macronutrient balance for weight loss. He says, by planning your meals ahead, you can ensure you're getting the right nutrients and avoid the temptation of impulsive eating. This is exactly why meal prep is so effective. Now, let's get into the actual meal prep. I'm going to show you 3 easy meals you can prep for the week. These recipes are balanced, packed with nutrients, and perfect for weight loss. Recipe 1. Grilled chicken with roasted vegetables. This is a classic weight loss meal. We're using lean chicken breast for protein, paired with roasted veggies like broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers. You can make a big batch and divide it into portions for several meals. Demonstration: the host seasons chicken and places it on the grill while roasting vegetables in the oven. Nutritional breakdown appears on screen: 300 calories per serving, 35 grams protein, 20 grams carbs, 10 grams fat. Recipe 2. Quinoa salad with avocado and chickpeas. Next up is a quinoa salad packed with fiber and plant-based protein. We're using quinoa, chickpeas, fresh veggies, and a little avocado for healthy fats. Demonstration: host prepares the quinoa, chops veggies, and mixes everything in a bowl. Containers are shown, with the portions carefully measured out. Nutritional breakdown: 350 calories per serving, 12 grams protein, 40 grams carbs, 15 grams fat.